excited? Hey, bud. Gio. Hi. So today I am cleaning my entire house again because I have really messy children. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. As you can see, all the American girls are just piled up there. I think there's a total of 3 dolls. I don't call her anymore. Here's the culprit. Here's the culprit. What do you have to say for yourself? Why your room is this?
Sorry.
Not good enough, Ileana. But by the time you get home from school, it's gonna be clean.
Okay.
And you're not gonna be in a lot of hot water if we get back this way.
Okay.
My boys' room are not bad. Well, it is bad, but it's not bad for 2.
Yes.
Even though they could have done better. It's just stuff everywhere.
It's George's turn
So
to clean
I have
the
to
room
clean it up.
myself.
No,
No?
Mommy's gonna. Okay, guys, so I think I made great progress in here. I still have all that stuff over there in the corner, right here. All of it is donation. There's stuff that can't fit her, all her shoes, summer stuff that couldn't fit still, and then they're over there. I mean, like, I'm telling you, people, this is no joke. Like, look how tiny these little pieces are. And it took hours to get these little tiny things up off the floor. Like, I'm done. I still have her bed that I'm going through. This is donation. This was Jackson's thing, but it's going to donation. Semi did this thing right here. This is her closet. All her girls are up there. And I think there's 8 of them up. 2 down. 4, 5 out. 5, I think. And I just stacked the beds. And then there's a bed. What was it? And then my husband was able to come home and help. So donation, books, Jordan's blanket, his book bag that his sister went through. It was nice of her. And then the beds are cleared off. Underneath the beds are cleared out. Daddy was able to take Destiny old dollhouse thing that was here. He took it down, and he was able to organize this whole thing. There he is. He was able to organize this whole thing. It was like a lot of junk and stuff. So he organized all their pants that was over there into bins that are over there.
I need longer.
It's snowing. Ooh.
Snowing.
It's snowing?
Yes.
Why are you always walking with Toothless?
Because I like him.
You like him? So it's snowing today, and we are on our way to Grandma's house. And then after grandma's house, we have to go to, we're taking the kids to Skyzone. One of my friend, her little girl's birthday is today. So, happy birthday, Jasmine. And she's taking the kids to, she's taking her daughter to Skyzone. And we got invited, so we're gonna go to Skyzone. So yeah, so I'll see you guys around that time. Probably around 4, 3, I think. So I'll see you guys then. Are you excited? Hey, bud. Gio. Hi. So we're going to 7-Eleven to get them something to drink because they are extremely thirsty. So now I have a crying child. Look, he's crying because he's dying of thirst. So I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven and get them something to drink. Go. Get in the car.